That's what we're here to help you do. So today we're talking about Facebook and email. The two go hand in hand. You're thinking, what the heck does social media and email have to do with each other? Well, let's show you how to make some money using your email. Hey guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Social Marketing. My name is Eric Hammond with the Orange Stack. Each week we go into how to use social media to grow your business, to get more leads, really just to sell houses and make you money, right? That's the point of social media, at least for us it is. That's what we're here to help you do. So today we're talking about Facebook and email. The two go hand in hand. You're thinking, what the heck does social media and email have to do with each other? Well, let's show you how to make some money using your email. Tried and true, it still works. Click-through rates are low, open rates are low, but if it's still working, we'll make it work. So we're going to talk about how to drive traffic from Facebook into an email campaign today, and really showing you how to put these two pieces together and get something out of it. So Facebook does a great job of helping you identify who people are, interest, all that stuff that Mark Zuckerberg got busted for in court recently, right? Like keeping track of all your guys' data, listening to your phone calls, all that kind of stuff. Here's the bottom line. When you run an ad on Facebook, you can tell them specifically what to do, what you're interested in, whether it's get them on a landing page, like a website, having them fill out a form, watch this video, go to my store, whatever it is, Facebook knows how to do it. So the first part of this step, there's really three big steps here. The first part is to create your lead magnet, right? So we call that a lead magnet because you're using like this big magnet to draw people in to get them to do something with you. So a lead magnet might be an ebook, right? Like here's top 10 ways to sell your house in this market, or how to be a qualified buyer in today's market, or how to be the best listing on your block when we're in a buyer's market, things like that. So consider an ebook as a great option. We've actually written a couple ebooks for some of our clients to use as lead magnets. Great source of getting people to click on your ad and do something. Another one might be, if you're working with buyers, say, here's a list of all the open houses that are coming up this weekend. So maybe you send them an email that happens on Thursday night or Friday, whenever this list is generated, and here's all the open houses that are going to happen this weekend so that they can be prepared for it. They're going to come to you to know when the open houses are so they can be first in line to buy that house and be a good buyer and be able to get their house, because there's so much competition right now in buying homes. Another one might be, if you're working with investors, I'm going to provide you weekly with a list of notice of defaults that were filed in the county, right? So if there's a lot of notice of defaults or foreclosures still going on in your area, maybe each week on Wednesdays or whenever that is, you're going to get an email list from me showing you when all the notice of defaults are. If there's a home that you want to pursue and have me to go negotiate that short sale with them, I'm happy to do it for you. See how this is going. They want something from you, you're going to give it. That's the lead magnet. Okay, last one I thought about was specific homes, right? So maybe, like for example, on Zillow, you can obviously search for homes. That's where most people are going to be looking for their properties, or realtor.com, things like that. So why come to you to find houses? You know the specifics of what they're looking for. So maybe you say, this could be like a video that you use on Facebook. I'll just kind of give you the script. Hey guys, I sell homes in this area, and I know that you're looking for something specific. If you want a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house with a pool, I've got it for you. If you're looking for a 2-bedroom condo with a view, I've got it for you. Whatever it is that you're looking for, I can help you find. If you click on the button below, fill out the form, I'll help you find that dream home for you. And whenever that home pops up for sale, I'll be the first one to call you and we can go submit an offer on it. Now, wouldn't that be a great video to run to motivated buyers who are looking for homes currently in this market? So what you do is you ask them a series of questions saying, what city do you want to live in, or zip code do you want to be in? Tell me about the house that you want to buy. How many bedrooms, how many baths, what other amenities? Do you want a pool? Do you want a view? Do you want a wine cellar? Whatever it is, you fill all that out, and then when they put that information in there, you can go search for that on the MLS and create an auto hot sheet that sends you that home as soon as it's listed. Call them up, you're ready to go. See what I'm getting at here? I'm providing tons of value to my clients up front. Talking in the real estate agent perspective here. You guys are providing a ton of value to your clients up front so that they want to work with you. The only thing that you ask for is their email address. Maybe get a phone number out of it too so you can call them when they're at that home's for sale, right? Next step. So now that you've got your lead magnet, now we go create the actual Facebook campaign, right? So I want to put this ebook out there. I want to put this form that you fill out there. I want you to watch my video. Whatever it is, you got to tell Facebook how to do it. So target all your homeowners, target first-time home buyers, target people that are interested in Zillow, all that kind of stuff. Direct them to a landing page where you say, look, are you a seller in this market and you're trying to get top dollar for your home? Click here and you can download my ebook. Are you trying to be a quality buyer and be top-notch buyer in this market? Here's how I can help you. Download my ebook today. It's really quick. It's going to help you be more strategic in offers that you're writing and be a better quality buyer. Are you looking for specific open houses in this area and you've been to every house and you can't find what you're looking for? for, I'll give you a list of all the open houses that are coming on the market each weekend by subscribing to my letter, right? So at that, you click the button, you bring them to a page where it talks about getting their name, email address, phone number, everything that you're looking for to get out of them, bedrooms, all that kind of stuff, right? So create the Facebook campaign that's going to do that. Maybe you're trying to drive traffic to a website, maybe you're trying to get them to watch that video script that I just showed for you to make, whatever it is, set up your Facebook campaign and put a consistent budget behind it. That's one of the things that we see a lot around here. Somebody will spend 20 bucks for 3 days and then run it and stop it because they didn't get results, or they got a few weird results and it didn't work out. What I would do is say, I'm committed to spending $5 a day every day as long as I'm a real estate agent, you know, and you don't obviously have to just give them your card and say good luck, but run it all the time, Monday through Sunday, all the way week to week to week to week to week. Just keep going, keep that ad running, and Facebook after a while figures out your algorithm and what you're trying to do, and it gets better and better and better, and your cost per lead gets cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. So stay consistent. Don't just set 20 bucks here, 50 bucks there, $10 here. Keep that same budget all across the way. You're going to get that much better results from it. Okay, last one is once you have this email address, set up the thing that you said you were going to do. Give them the ebook, send them to the open houses that are happening this weekend, put them on your MLS hot sheet so that you get those 4-bedroom homes, the pools that they're looking for, whatever it is, and then correspond to them. Maybe you have an automated email that goes out that first time saying, hey John, you know, fill in the blank here. Thanks for subscribing to this. I'm really excited to send you the list of open houses in this zip code. There's other homes in the area. Are there other areas that you want me to focus on for you as well? Tell me more about what you're looking for. By the way, I'm really excited for you. I hope that everything goes well in your home search. Let me know if there's anything else I can do for you, right? Don't go in for the sell, just provide the value. And that's the point of this. Keep that information coming, and then as you watch the open rates, as you watch the click-through rates, those are the people that you want to start sending different messages to, right? So let's say you add 200 people to this newsletter list now that you've created, and 20 of them open your email on a regular basis. Start sending those 20 something else. Are you not getting the open houses that you want? Are you not finding that property that you're looking for? Have you thought about selling your house or getting on the market or seeing what your home might qualify? Have you met with a lender to see if this is what you really can qualify for? Start giving them more value to other things, right? Don't worry about the other 180 people that aren't opening your email. Focus on the 20 that are. Keep giving them interesting tidbits and information and actions to close to meet with you. I have a lender who would love to sit down with you and find out what you can qualify for. I know you said you're interested in homes in this area. The average sales price is this. You're going to need this type of a down payment. These are the loans that are available to you right now. Let's get you pre-qualified, right? So that you can be a solid A+ buyer when you're ready to put a home under contract. So keep bringing value. That's how you monetize an email list. And then rinse and repeat over and over and over. Just keep that Facebook ad, fill in that email list as much as you can, and then keep the emails going as much as you can. We use email programs like MailChimp and Constant Contact to generate all the mailing side of it, because you can mail out to thousands of people at once if you get to that point, or even a couple hundred or less if you want to. Very affordable options. Again, I would stick with like a $5 a day budget for something like this, and just keep that newsletter building and building and building, and you can do more and more and more with it. If you have any questions about this, feel free to give us a call. We set up things like this all the time for agents, helping them understand how you can utilize Facebook ads, email, all that together. So my name is Eric Hammond. I'm with the Orange Stack. Each week we cover how to use social media in your business. I hope that you can do something great with newsletters and trying to figure out how to build that pipeline of future business for you so that you can start closing more deals, making more money. We're excited to help you out. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.